Welcome to 1022A Pierce. This is a newly built garden level apartment that would still be a rent control. It's 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. It's on the lower level and it has a new kitchen that features stainless appliances, nice fridge, a built-in microwave, gas range, stainless dishwasher. We have a full-size sink, retractable faucet, quartz countertops, white cabinets, and a pantry. There's an entry area, and off the entry area is a washer and dryer, the half bath, nicely tiled. You can see it a little better. Block window there. So an open floor plan. You have 2 living areas, one here and then one here, and an exclusive use patio, which would be the patio area here up to that fence wall. The yard is not part of the deal, but you do get your own outdoor space, which is great. The second bath, focus, has a full-size tub, nice tile, vanity, tiled floor, built-in shelf, and a storage closet. Onward to each of the bedrooms. Nice and spacious. Plenty of room for any size bed. I think this is the best bedroom. It has a little nook. Kind of overlooking the outside. And its closet has mirrored doors. And the third bedroom has a bigger window, another closet with the mirrored doors. Plenty of space. And I want to show you the entry and the outside of the building. So you have kind of a service entry that's been modified, and it's got some windows here. And you do go past the meters and stuff like that. It would be the only apartment that uses this entry, although it goes to the garden too. And then outside, you get to this historic area, Pierce Street, and it's this beautiful Victorian building. Alamo Square is just right up there. If you're interested in renting, 1022 Pierce. Visit BillHarkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you.